Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Microsoft have announced Windows 11 build version 22489 to preview channel of Windows Insider program. If you want to join this program, you have the details in another video and you can find the link on the description below. So let's see what's new in this build version that Microsoft have released. I have installed this version on my computer. We can see that if I open settings and then I choose system, and I scroll down till the option here about, we just click over it and then we can see at Windows specifications that my operating system build version is 22489. Microsoft is rolling out a new entry point for your Microsoft account, which we can find under settings and then we click over the option account. Clicking this new entry point brings you to a new settings page that displays information related to your Microsoft account, including your subscription for Microsoft 365, links to order history, payment details, and Microsoft rewards. This allows you to access your Microsoft account directly within settings in Windows 11. With this release, Microsoft have done some changes and improvements on Windows 11. To improve consistency, they are updating the name of the content app to now be Wireless Display. This app is a feature on demand and can be enabled by going to Settings, then Apps, then we choose Optional Features, and then we click over Add an Optional Feature. So if I search here Connect App, it will not show up, but if I search Wireless Display, it will be there. With this new Windows update, apps and features in settings will be split up into two pages under apps. One is going to be installed apps and the other one is going to be advanced app settings. We can see that now we have more options and ways how to view installed apps. And if we go at advanced app settings, we can specify different settings for the apps. Microsoft is adding now support for discovery of designated resolvers, which allows Windows to discover encrypted DNS configuration from a DNS resolver known only by its IP address. There are also some fixes that will be done with this Windows 11 update, which will affect Taskbar, File Explorer, settings, etc. Some of these fixes are: app icons on secondary monitors should draw more reliably now instead of being blank. Microsoft fixed an Explorer crash that was happening sometimes when using the desktop's flyout context menu. They fixed another crash of Explorer that was happening sometimes when dismissing the desktop flyout. They improved context menu launch performance. They made a few fixes to help improve Explorer reliability when using File Explorer. For settings, they addressed an issue that was causing settings to crash in certain cases after going to Windows Update. They fixed the settings crash when trying to customize option in wheel settings. So basically there are many small problems of Windows 11 that will go away after we will install this update. In the description below you can find a link which has all the list of the improvements and fixes that this update will do. That's all that I wanted to show to you guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.